this lecture till exercise 3.1 we have done. After this we will concentrate on methods of solving the linear equations in two variables. First one method is graphical method. Second one is substitution method. Third one method is elimination method. And fourth one method is cross multiplication method. Students, if we will work on any method, so we will work on this table. This table is very important. If this one concept is clear in your mind, you will not face any problem. See, first one is x minus 2y equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So a1 upon a2 here is 1 by 3. a1 by a2 means coefficient of x in both equations. Now b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4 means minus 1 by 2. C1 upon C2, here in first equation C1 is not given, so it's become 0. So here A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. If A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 means intersecting lines like this. If lines will intersect to each other, they will get one solution. So you can write unique solution, or you can write only one solution. In second case, coefficient of x are 2 and 4. So ratio 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Coefficient of y ratio 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Here C1 by C2 again 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Minus cancel with minus. 9 by 18 means 1 by 2. Means all three ratios become equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Means coincident line. Coincident lines means lines coincide to each other. If coincident line means infinite many points, infinite many solution we will get. In third one, here coefficient of x are 1 by 2. Coefficient of y means b1 by b2 1 by 2. C1 by C2 1 by 3. Means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Means you will get parallel lines. Parallel lines, they will not intersect to each other. So here we will get no solution. In first and second case means if line will intersect to each other or coincident line, so then case become consistent. This one in case of only of first and second. But if line will not intersect to each other, then we can say inconsistent. Inconsistent. This one case is of only of third.